Ladies and gentlemen, we are live streaming to all of the friends and followers of the Richmond Freelance and Prototype Model Railroaders. And you know what today is? It is Ashland Train Day. And as you can see, the train show signs are directing you to the corner courtyard of Ashland Hanover Shopping Center, where our HO scale and N scale layouts are ready to welcome you. Lots of parking available for Ashland Train Day, which is why we are here. And we're going to show you where those model trains are. Here we are in front of the Petco and the ABC store and Martial Arts, the vape shop. There are already vendors setting up in front of the XXI Salon Studios. You don't want to miss them today. But right in the corner courtyard, there is going to be two enormous model train layouts today for Ashland Train Day. We have one with the Richmond area AMTRAK in N scale 1 to 160, and one with the Virginia Piedmont and Central, the VP&C HO model railroaders, and they are right here in the corner courtyard. Who knew? Who knew that there was so many spaces available for model trains right here year-round, every month? But particularly this day of all days is Train Day. So when you follow the train show sign, you're going to come right up on into the courtyard. There they are. Doors are open, wide open courtyard. And there's the N scale model trains and 3 storefronts, and there's the HO model trains and 2 storefronts. Let's go down here and see if we can get these guys to wave to us. There you go, guys. Wave. This is a Facebook Live right now. So we're inviting all the public to come on in and check out the model railroads. All right, Ashland Train Day. Here we go. Oh, that might be the NASCAR train. Oh, look at that. Right here at the Richmond area AMTRAK Blue Ridge and Western Railroad layout, we do have trains running. But you can get to this parking lot, get your place in line for the shuttle bus to take you downtown, and check out the trains. Trains are rolling. Let's check that out. Got a Southern Pacific, and it is pulling the NASCAR train. And look, that's the Intimidator. Number 3 is in the lead on the flat car. All right, make tracks to Ashland, folks, and we shall see you here for Ashland Train Day all day long from right now until 4 p.m. Making it great. And in just a few minutes, there will be buses here boarding, allowing parkers to park in this parking lot and ride the shuttle buses to all the festivities in downtown Ashland. Tooting your horns while you're coming on by. We are on our way. There are things and activities already starting, including many CSX and AMTRAK trains running right through the heart of Ashland. Pack up the family, bring everybody, pack the car, pack the van, pack the bus, and bring everybody down to train day. And don't miss the layouts in the corner courtyard of Ashland Hanover Shopping Center. Atlantic Coast S gauge was supposed to be in there. This is where the shuttle trains.
Let me call my guys and tell them I got to ride back. That's pretty cool.
Let's see.
up, boo. Watch where you going.
There you are. Such a busy day. I'm trying to capture.
The train author?
Yes.
Yes.
It's good to see you, train author. I'm trying to capture on train day all the busyness of Tiny Tim's. So thank you. I saw Sue briefly a moment ago, and she's like so deep in the weeds, right?
Right. That's where we live.
And others, they tried to press.
There she is. Come on over, Sue. All right, I'm going to zoom in on you two gorgeous girls. Hold on, here we're zooming in. This is all video. What do you want to say to the town of Ashland? Has this been great? Has this been an awesome train day?
It's awesome. Wonderful train day.
I came by here 2 hours ago. I couldn't get any closer than that back sidewalk over there.
Enjoyed. So Tiny Tim provided the wooden layout down there. Thanks to Lou in the town tent.
Is that right?
And then we have our big O gauge over in the dance hall.
In the dance hall.
Right.
So we're supporting train day in the town in all these different ways.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Go
Well,
Ashland.
I'm so glad to actually capture both of you because Tiny Tim's, I mean, what would train day be without the trains, right?
Right. Ta-da.
Awesome.
honestly, it's with everything I do.
Wait, look, there's a ticket thing. That can be a ticket thing.